Leader of the opposition in Western Australia is calling on Premier Mark McGowan to release the Omicron modelling. Davies has condemned the lack of transparency around the state's planned reopening on February 5.
In less than 3 weeks, Western Australia's hard border will fall and quarantine-free travel will resume for the first time in 2 years. But the opposition leader says there's been a void of information in the lead-up to borders opening.
So the opposition today is calling for the McGowan government to immediately release all of the information relating to the rules and restrictions as we head towards the 5th of February and the transition date, including the modelling that's been done in relation to Omicron.
The state government has not unveiled what restrictions will be in place or what the definition of close contacts will be when travel resumes. Due to growing Omicron cases, an indoor mask mandate was reintroduced for Perth and Peel and extended to the southwest as exposure sites grow. The Australian Medical Association of WA warns that without tough restrictions, cases could surpass 60,000 in the first month. President Mark Duncan-Smith has based his prediction off South Australia's Omicron modelling.
In line with South Australia's level 1, which are relatively low level in that there's restrictions on licensed premises, hospitality, limit of 10 people in a home, dancing only at weddings, and working from home wherever possible. Now that brings the peak down sixfold. So South Australia is now looking at a peak of between 6,000 to 10,000 rather than 30 to 40,000.
On Tuesday, the state recorded 2 new local cases linked to the Coburn cluster and 12 travel-related cases. Higher risk exposure sites include 3 massage parlours across Perth visited by multiple COVID cases. The health department believes additional people may have attended these businesses without checking in or registering their attendance and is advising them to come forward and get tested. Expanded proof of vaccination begins on January 31. However, the Health Department has extended the requirement to the City of Perth's Skyworks on Australia Day.
COVID marshals will be operating around the area and they will be asking people for proof of vaccination, and if people don't have proof of vaccination, those people will be asked to leave. So clearly I think there's a message there. The WA State Government via the Health Department have been very clear in that messaging that they have asked us to convey.
A 38-year-old man has been charged with fraud after using someone else's identification and vaccine passport to enter the Crown Complex. He will face court next month. Holly Edward-Smith, Sky News, Perth.